How to draw candy cane hearts. Let's start up about there and we'll draw a cane coming down like that. And we want to stop just before it gets to about there. And then we can draw another one coming around here. And this is quite tricky to make them look the same. And stop when you get to about there. Leave a space down there. Now bring the handle around, and you want to keep this really nice and equal distance, which is not easy. And then we'll do the same here. I'm going to bring that around like that. Keep it the same distance apart. Down here so they touch at the bottom. That's our two candy canes. Look like little worms or something, don't they? And then do these stripes at an angle like that, going across. And then we want to do that the other way. So that's going that way, that's going that way, then this wants to go that way. And we'll work our way around till we get to the bottom like that. Then all you need to do is colour it in and have a very happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.